The Screen Actors Guild, now known as like SAG AFTRA, has long championed rights for actors, and they've done it even for those that have worked in the smallest of roles, like movie extras. Under SAG's protection, extras are guaranteed fair pay. They get overtime, meal breaks, and safety standards, ensuring even the seemingly minor roles are treated with dignity. This union advocacy, it highlights the critical importance of collective representation. Empowering movie extras with health benefits and workplace safety is something that would otherwise be unattainable without that representation. Contrast this with the plight of yoga teachers, who currently lack centralized protection. As independent contractors, they're often without health benefits, job security, and they don't always have stable income. That's even if they get to be contractors. Sometimes organizations even hire them on as hourly employees, where they'll sneak in a rate and then instead of it being an hour-long class, they're there for 2 hours checking people in, and that $40 becomes $20 when you divide it by 2. I mean, who's watching out for them? The disparity between SAG and your average yoga teacher, the disparity reveals a need for similar organizations for us, right? Yoga Alliance isn't doing it. We need one that could secure fair compensation, job security, and health benefits. Organizing a union or guild could ensure yoga teachers receive the same protections, enhancing their career sustainability. Drawing lessons from SAG, fair treatment and compensation for yoga teachers would obviously show them their worth, but more importantly, would show that they fulfill a role in an organization with real expertise, where they're not just laborers but they're knowledge workers. Just like SAG protects movie extras, yoga teachers deserve fair pay and conditions that reflect our true value and the dedication that we bring to our job. Creating a yoga teacher organization is a pivotal step towards achieving fair treatment and professional recognition, and I'm doing my best to organize over here at the Council for Independent Yoga Professionals. I think that an independent council of yoga professionals can help empower yoga teachers for a secure and, frankly, a dignified future.